sir, what was the major takeaway from the discussion happened in the panel?
There are a lot of things like, smart manufacturing itself, it's a vast subject. How do we improve the manufacturing process, and do it in a most cost-effective manner and in the best possible manner.
With the use of artificial intelligence.
That's one part of it. There are other things as well, and the AI is, as you know, it's an enabler for all these things these days.
And what are the challenges in the industry facing right now regarding technology, adoption of technology?
Technology adoption, actually, this AI, it's not yet penetrated in a very big manner. Of course, everybody understands what AI is from the ChatGPT sort of things, but there is much more than compared to what is there in this ChatGPTs or maybe Copilots or sort of things. We can add a lot of value and we can generate a lot of value out of this AI itself altogether. That's what we should be looking at.
Do you think technology like AI will help in boosting the productivity in that?
Definitely, it will improve productivity. There's a lot more that it does other than just the productivity. It makes the process simple. It makes our life easier for people. All the repetitive tasks, we can get it done, and we can improvise on the task. Whatever those repetitive things are there, how do we get value out of it? You can always improve on that.
Okay. So the last question: do you think that the country is ready for the AI because it's very high technology thing and industry is gradually adopting it? Do you think we need special learning for it?
In fact, we are much better compared to many other countries. The way this education had started, like if you see this AI, artificial intelligence education itself, we have a lot of institutions delivering that education. While many big countries itself, advanced countries, it's supposed to be a postgraduate degree sort of thing. We are enabling people, we are making them think from a very young age itself. And it's going to be a very big thing, and we are well prepared for that, and we are doing it in the right direction. There are many efforts that are going on, like building the models, what is required. All these things, they are going to help. From the government side also, there's a lot of push on these things, and there are all the companies, they have positioned to accept, get the results out of this.
Is there any demand for the government?
Pardon?
Is there any demand?
Demand?
Yeah, from the government.
The government is doing very well in this space. In fact, they are positioning very well that this will be the. They realize very well that this is going to be the future, and they are doing whatever is required. They are doing very good in this space.